Hello fishes, Corellia here, and in this video I will be showing you how to fix a Finfolk Kelpie silicone top. The first step I recommend is taking off the previous Silpoxy to give yourself a cleaner surface to work on. I'm using a metal precision blade to do this. With sharp blades, take your time and use caution. Make sure to remove any old Silpoxy on the strap if it has some. Clean the area with alcohol. This will ensure you have a clean bonding area. For the third step, use Silpoxy to reattach the strap. You have approximately 5 minutes to work, but don't feel you need a rush. I'm using a metal tool to spread the Silpoxy to give it more surface area to stick to. Silpoxy has a cure time of approximately 12 minutes, so be sure not to disturb your work during this time. I used a heavy object for added pressure to make sure the Silpoxy adhered well.